I'm so fogged up right now. Oh my gosh.
What?
My goggles are so fogged up.
Bad.
Sometimes I wish I was a blue job up in the sky. I wouldn't have to walk if I could fly.
Oh, you play with tanks?
Let people in!
I'm an artillery guy.
Sir?
Did you know she was 12?
No. What?
She said she was 12!
What? Is that USB?
Huh?
What is that?
It's a taser. IRL taser.
Woo! Oh, it's
That's tracers.
That's a I forget the name of that. It's so
Maxim 9.
Maxim, yeah.
Keep your nuts intact or you're gonna get tased.
Okay.
Your nuts are gonna be mine, little buddy.
I got body cam.
Your body cam?
Body cam.
Audible Smith.
No.
I'm black.
You're black?
I'm black.
Oh, Sandra!
Let's go.
Get in there!
You see the ski mask?
Get in there!
Oh! Just a fucking dude who jumped the judge. King Vaughn did not deserve to die.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Yeah! Blech. The camera was facing upwards. Sometimes I wish I was a real job up in the sky. I wouldn't have to walk the fastest. But I'll be around up till I die. 10 years to go in the other life.
Hey, I'll watch out.
Damn man. That's what you get.
What you got? I'm holding people.
We're good. Go. Push.
Wait, I'll sit. Oh.
No.
He's so cute. One guy's gonna come running from here and one will die.
He's just gonna ice us.
He's gonna go all of us fucking day. That's like, oh, that. Oh, hi, we're talking.
So how's your day then?
Yeah, my day's pretty good. Airsoft, you know.
Yeah, I know.
All you need is like some coffee.
Yeah. Yep, we know it. Hit. Freaking speed softer. Sometimes I wish I was a blue job up in the sky. I wouldn't have to walk if I could fly. But I'll be a bird up till I die. With 10 years to go in the other life. They're among us, pussy?
Yes.
Why?
Because.
Oh, Scorpion!
Yes. The power of money.
Go kill people!
I like your, that thing.
Oh, my tracer?
Tracer.
Oh, you want to push?
Push! He's right behind it. He's right there. He's right behind that wall.
Okay.
You're good!
That must have
I'm ready.
Why are you shooting like that?
I'm ready. I'm ready. Brick building, brick building, brick building. Brick building.
That corner, that room.
So this guy is blind fire.
Please don't.
I'm kidding, I won't. I'm not mean. I mean, I'm not that mean.
Ow, my iPad's digging into my mat. Ah!
I got one of them.
You're blind firing. Why are you doing this?
Sorry, I'm so sorry. I didn't see the red. What?
The longest fucking barrel, dude.
It's like 18 inches, I think. It's like 16 inches. Run! Where?
I'm just shooting. Look at that. That's you play? Yeah. There's some up there?
They're in the hallway. They're in that room. Out! Wait! That was full auto! No full auto, bro.
Full auto.
No full auto.
I didn't pull out.
You did.
Oh!
I got hit in the finger!
Everybody good? I just got out anyway, just in case. One got called.
I got hit in the finger!
That was me. That was me.
You good? Hey, bud.
That might have been me. That was an accident. No, I was.
I can't podcast back that she was in this thing.
Let's go.
I was about to have the quickest clip ever, but I wasn't shooting.
Far down. They're in that room. No! That's my team. What the?
Hey, they're still inside this building.
Where?
It's out here.
They're inside?
Hey, hold this angle right here. Block that doorway.
Yeah. What? What are you doing? What? Yo, man, just grab my vest. Yeah. Oh, hey! This is repetitive. They're just always better than us somehow.
It has some spare gas on them.
No. Oh, yeah, this nice pumpkin.
If I farm into this, will it work?
No, bro, that's not how it works.